Looking for an emergency plumber in Barrie, Ontario? Do you live in the Duckworth Street, St. Vincent Street area of Barrie? Drain Right Now provides 24-hour a day, 7 days a week service for residents of Wellington Street East, Grove St. Street East, Duckworth Street, Penetang Street, Lake Street, Bell Farm Road, Cynthia Court, Roslyn Road, Bellevue Crescent and Blue Mountain Drive. Are you experiencing a broken water pipe, a plugged kitchen sink, an overflowing toilet, a clogged shower or bathtub drain, or leaky faucets? Do you have tree root damage to your sewer line, water line, or septic system? Is your sewer system backed up? Don't have any water or have low water pressure? Has a recent cold snap frozen your water line? Then call or text Drain Right Now at 705-309-0758 for 24-hour a day, 7 days a week service. Also check out our Home Stars Best rating for 4 years running. For more information visit our website at www.drainrightnow.ca.